You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, yeah. My nigga, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good.
Drama.
You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, yeah. My nigga, I'm good, I'm good, yeah.
Coming up to me like you still making music, man. Ask them kind of questions, shouldn't even shake your hand. Thought you were the homie, still don't know me, it's so evident. 2 million fucking views and growing, follow my accomplishments. I mean, cause I do work my ass off. Back up in the game like my vocals got their cast off. All I've been is cast off by those who seem to lack heart. Trying to give the world some hope, so to the dark I'll cast art. Hope it lights the way, bright until yesterday. Life's been dark and y'all can see I've had a lot to say. Few friends have been supportive, you can tell by how I word it. So being around that energy, I feel I can't afford it. Talking about I need direction, somewhere where is yours? I've had mine and it's the only thing that I've been working toward. And I built it from the floor, y'all don't seem to help no more. CSR the movement, cause the internet's what opened doors.
You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, yeah. My nigga, I'm good, yeah.
What I mean to say is y'all ain't been about the dream. Even back in high school, y'all weren't really about the team. To those who were, you know I know, and your support means everything. About to prove, come from anywhere and become anything. That you can take whatever you love and make it everything. But we're part is bigger than us, we made it everything. You know it's because I wear my word like a wedding ring. Sticking to my creed, put honesty above everything. Cause I ain't been perfect, but at least I got a purpose. Rising stars in my contact list with hippies and we murk shit. Conversations with the greatest, can't wait to say I made it. Shouts to those who say I helped them get through hard times, you my favorite. Shouts to channels that upload me, and the haters that can blow me. And shouts out to a world and system you won't see control me. Blogs that show me love, and friends who love what we does. Everyone who sees us hitting the top before it
You're no
comes.
hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good, I'm good, yeah. My nigga, I'm good, yeah. You're no hero, so don't act like it. And please don't treat me like I'm your sidekick. Cause I watch TV, I see how life is, and it's not easy, but still I'm right here, screaming I'm good.
I've been rolling around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces fill the places I can't reach. You know that I can use somebody. You know that I can use somebody.
Let's meet Bill, not content with what he has. He ain't worried about nothing, his main focus is his swag. Only worried about his image like he working at a Photoshop. Man on a mission, cause every night is a photo op. Disrespectful to the ladies, women, or what have you. He was drunk up at a party, he would try to grab you, try to abracadab you, make you disappear. Like listen here, let's hop into my van, ain't go no missing ear. Well I think it's crystal clear that he's trapped into a place where they'd rather Facebook you than to look you in the face. Instead of thoughts they share them statuses. Girls like who the baddest is, and I can't front put it up front cause I used to be the catalyst, but then I got older. Yeah, and then the world got colder. Don't wanna say I told you, but fuck it, I'ma say it clearer, cause one day he's gonna wake up and he'll look into the mirror like
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see.
Painted faces, building places I can't reach. You know that I could use somebody. When you fall down, who you gonna call now? You know that I could use somebody. When you fall down, who you gonna call now? Call now, call now, call now. I'd like to take this time to introduce you to Stacy. She likes to take photos that a little bit racy. You think she slow it down and not be so explicit when you see the comments that she warrants and she solicits like, damn girl, you're beautiful. I'ma take you home and take a look at that ass and I'ma make you moan. You would think it's a precursor to the scheme, but she just think it's a light that's made by the cursor on the screen. And plus she getting wasted like a belt or a hula hoop. With herself she's at war, kinda like a new recruit. Cause YOLO is the motto, that's exactly what she's told. And spontaneity is what they selling. She's not sold, well, not completely, but she can't move discreetly. Cause the street doesn't get you 1,000 followers weekly. It might not be my place, but I'ma say it clearer. Cause one day she gon' wake up and look into the mirror like
I've been roaming around, always looking down at all I see. Painted faces, building places I can't reach. You know that I could use somebody.
when you fall down, who you gonna call now?
You know that I could use
When you fall
somebody.
down, who you gonna call now? Call now, call now, call now.
And maybe someday it's me and you, but right now I can't seem to feel it too. Lately all I know is you're running through my mind. I know it hurts, it's just not our time.
I'm used to it all. Used to finding someone, then go losing it all. Tell them that I'm fine, don't you worry at all. Pick up my phone at 1 AM and now I'm sending a call. Caring less and less around me, all my time has been around you. Let you in, you told me not to, held your hand, I said I got you. Ocean in your eyes, I've been lost at sea. Drowning in my thoughts, it was you and me. And I can't seem to find a single silver line and tell you that I'm fine, I'm lying. A heart will never wait for time, and don't you get it, there's a reason I met you. You don't think that I get you? Ask me why I'm trying, cause I think that you're special, embedded in my mind. Only you, nobody else. So many times you said there's somebody else, but you still picked up my calls, you still replied to my texts. I went and made you a song, you said it made you a mess. Cause the cracks in your heart, it looked just like mine. You and I were broken around the same time. Beautiful smile with all the pain in your eyes. You have a love so deep, you trust the wrong guys. And I understand it more than anyone. You're not looking for a connection with just anyone. What if I told you that I'm the better one? Spilling on my heart and I'ma let it run. My mind is saying leave you, but my heart says no. You made your choice, but I can't seem to let go. Thinking of your voice in a world so cold. I'm breaking down now, but I won't let it show. And even if I'm crazy, doesn't mean that I'm wrong. Wonder what you're thinking as you listen to this song. I've been lost in my mind, but I'ma tell you I'm fine. But what's the point of the one if you find him at the wrong time? Like,
And maybe someday it's me and you, but right now I can't seem to feel it too. Lately all I know is you're running through my mind. I know it hurts, it's just not our time. Baby, don't you tell me that you don't see it too. You say you love me, so then tell me what can I do? You're on my mind, I know it hurts, it's just not our time.
I can tell you've been crying, let me shoulder your pain. You're looking at me funny, do you know what you're saying? Ivan, this isn't a game, I can't be feeling the same. I told you not to fight for anything, there's nothing to gain. And now things are harder cause I'm feeling it too. There was a wall for a reason, why'd you go and break through? Then you make me a song and it's been all in my mind. I know you're lying every time when you tell me you're fine. I met this guy before I met you. Put my trust in him before I met you. I got attached to him before I met you. Now you're on my mind ever since I met you. But what can I do? Cause I don't think that you're getting it. A few months earlier with you, and maybe this will be different. Maybe you do really get me, and that's the thing that upsets me. I'm with him, I'm in your mind, so it's best you forget me. Maybe you're right, I don't think I'll ever get it. Love is making me blind. Picking up the phone, then I'm putting it down. Like who am I to go and ruin the happiness that you found? Like I go and tell my friends that it was all so dumb. Then I'm writing in my room until my heart goes numb, till my pen's all done. You know my heart wants more. Let's break it in pieces all again once more. You can tell me that I'm wasting all my time, but I've been looking for a sign, and I've been finding it in you. And you can tell me he was there first. You can say you fell for him first. He'll never look at you the way I look at you. You left a hole in my chest that I don't think I can fill. It's like we met in a dream, but the feeling is real. And I could write 1,000 lines, all the stars could align. What's all the love in the world if you found it at the wrong time?
And maybe someday it's me and you, but right now I can't seem to feel it too. You're on my mind, I know it hurts, it's just not our time. like rain that's falling towards the sky, like shadows in the night. Oh, what a funny life. And you think you know me well, so much better than I know myself. So can you tell me why? Oh, why? Oh, why can't I figure out this puzzle in my mind?
The rain is on the window, the lights are in the sky. My dear, we have to leave before the floor is where we lie. The driver's in the car, he'll take us to a bar that be so dark that we forget just who we are. I've rented out our past, I'm buying up our future. Used to look for new beginnings when you're out buying a toothbrush. The world stopped spinning, the kids stopped grinning, and the priest at the local church, he stopped sinning. With all these children, parents unaware, worried about their grades and having financial scares, and probably could never bear what the kids have. When the world's gone, it won't help to have a rich dad. I'm just saying, people had it twisted. Now the world's ending, we all seeing what we missed it. Do I think about myself now or think about you? Or shall I wait to the side until I see what you choose? It's like
rain that's falling towards the sky, like shadows in the night. Oh, what a funny life. And you think you know